Solve this equation together. This equation has many operations: the exponent, division, multiplication, and the parentheses. So this tells us that we have to follow the order of operation called Pemdas. P here stands for parentheses. We do the parentheses first. E here stands for exponent. We do the exponent. After the exponent, we do the multiplication and the division. We evaluate from left to right. After that, we do the addition and the subtraction. We also evaluate from left to right because they have equal priority. So we begin with these parentheses. 3 plus 1 is 4. There is multiplication here. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Now, division and multiplication has equal priority. Evaluate from left to right. We do division first. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 times 4 equal to 16. This is the correct answer to this equation.